Hi, this is Satya Natarajan, author of the Single Page Tree Act, along with Amit, Gangotri and all the petitioners of we are fighting to save trees here in Pune. So one of the incident is about the Koregan Park in terms of expansion of the road. Many trees have been cut and we have come on the ground. Basically they have called us to find out a solution, though they should be finding the solution. So what we are trying to say here is that at any cost, according to the Schedule 1 of the 1975 Act, every 10 meters there has to be a tree, irrespective of whether a duct goes beneath, a gutter goes beneath or an overline goes above. Whatever it is, every 10 meters a tree. Like what we say, roti, kapda, makan और हर एक 10 मीटर में एक पेड़ होना चाहिए. That is the 1975 Act. Next, one of the points raised by ma'am of the road department was that very clear. Arey Satya, we also want to do good work. If somebody would have said like it has to be planted only here, we could have provisioned. So what I am saying is that they have agreed to do that right now, in spite of all the difficulties, and we thank for the initial step that they have taken. However, ऐसा गलत वापस नहीं होना चाहिए that tomorrow they say 3 by 3 is the tree space that they are going to give, and I am cautioning them, advocating them, saying that according to the Supreme Court ruling, 1.25 by 1.25 meter should be a non-concretized zone. This should be kept in mind. Otherwise, planting and then filling it up with concrete is just going to make the plant die. So make sure that is also adhered along with your commitment of every 10 meters a tree. For example, here in this, every 10 meters a tree, every 10 meters over there, if there is a girder or in between place, every 1 kilometer you can plant up till 145 shrubs which are not going to encroach. That is also a possibility. Instead of saying, hey, we have planted 2 more, don't talk about the population of people, talk about the population of trees. As per the environment status report, Pune citizens to tree ratio is 1:1.128, whereas it has to be 1:8. 8 matlab 8 fully grown trees of 40 years and above. We are cutting 50 years tree, 40 years tree, 20 years tree. So we are committing an error for the future 2 generations to come. These are all known. The act is there. People used to ask me, hey, you cut a tree and you build a hospital. You cut a tree and you build a temple. You cut a tree and expand the road. वो सब बोला नहीं है अभी क्यों? I am saying there are 100 ways to cut a tree, but there is only one way to preserve it, and that is Maharashtra's 1975 Act, Schedule 1, which says every 10 meters a tree. That's it. If you are a believer in Constitution, if you believe